Say yes to the address at 4 Daylily Lane in Kitchener. I propose that you won't be able to resist this bright end unit home with all the must-haves you want in a price point you can't possibly refuse. Hi, I'm Daphne from Helen's team, helping you fall head over heels in love with all the best listings in Waterloo Region and Wellington County. A private front door entrance greets you off the parking, where you get 2 exclusive parking spaces. Upstairs, your main level is absolutely irresistible, with large windows, warm modern tones, and a spacious open concept floor plan that leaves nothing to the imagination. Stainless steel appliances are neatly laid out in this wide galley-style kitchen with a breakfast bar and a pantry, making entertaining at your place a breeze for special guests. When it's barbecue season, your crew can expand outside to the balcony for some intimate outdoor dining. Rounding off this floor is a powder room, laundry, and additional storage. The upper level sets you up for years of happiness with 2 primary bedrooms, each with their own walk-in closets and full bathroom en-suites, both with soaker tubs. A cute second-floor balcony for stargazing completes this dreamy home. Enjoy low utility costs, low condo fees, and public transit access in the newer community of Huron, close to the fantastic new splash park, Huron Natural Area, Tim Hortons, Food Basics, and schools. You might want to say I do to this handsome property before someone else whisks it away. Book your private engagement today because this house isn't mine and it should be yours.